Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Ilona Smith. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're doing things a little bit differently. I have compiled a quiz that you can answer. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So today's quiz consists of 12 questions. Please let me know in the comments down below how much you got for the quiz. How the quiz will work is you'll see the answer, you'll get 30 seconds to answer, and then after 30 seconds the answer will pop up, and then after that an explanation as to why that is the correct answer. So today we're talking about avenues of acquiring a business. I wish you all the very best of luck for the quiz and for paper 2 that's coming up for the exams. I hope you enjoy. you so much for watching my video today. Something different. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below. Don't forget those scores. I want to know your scores and how well you did. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, let me know what's a video you're looking for as a quiz next. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.